but it's just Galaxy and everything. Let's go.
Welcome to Mobile Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limbo Mugala. Mbombela Stadium is where, man, for the Betway Premiership clash between TS Galaxy versus Richards Bay. A game as of which is concluded with a scoreline of 1-0 in favor of the Natal Rich Boys, walking away with maximum points, 3 points, moving them up the log. And now I'm joined by a fan here at Mbombela Stadium. Greetings, boss yami. 3 points uhambile la eMbombela nduna yami.
Ndoda kubi makunje siyakhala yose kubi ndoda, we come with ezinyembezi nje, mara I think TS Galaxy will come back. We lose lots of players with TS Galaxy in this season, so I think the guys will come back ndoda. I think they will come back quickly. Fortunately sizoboy
nduna yami semaluzi lamaningi nakangaka sikayalandzelana lawo maluzi lawo consecutive losses. Niyalibona licembu lisuka la likhona khona cause licembu seliqale leluze kuqala cele kwabiluzi esingayinaka kwabiluzi yesibili kwabiluzi yesi3 nyalo sebahambile nyalo sebaku bottom half of the log nyalo nduna yami uyalibona licembu likhona kususa la likhona khona and ngalesikhathi lesi iTS Galaxy ilicembu lesilijwayele ukuthi second round of the league last 5 or 10 games of the league ngila icala kudobhadobhela khona ama points mara le season le kujikile lokho. In fact la sekusitshela ukuthi ithi khona sikhathi iTS Galaxy ukuthi nyalo sijwayele ukuthi yaphakama ngale ama game laselelawo ngila nyalo seyidorpa khona ama points. Niyalibona licembu lisuka lapha ku relegation zone or kwendakala nduna ngikhuluma nami
akukhona kumele bekwenze. Angiliboni isisuka ngibona sehla kakhulu instead ukuthi sikhuphuke asikhuphuke indoda siyehla, and la maluza asilimaza kakhulu njengamanje sesilimele ngawo nje. Angiliboni liba nakho kwenzekayo ngoba ama players esinawo akhombisa ukuthi ayaphusha kakhulu. Yes sinawo ama players mara it doesn't show ukuthi sizokhuphuka kula ama game asel. It doesn't show. I don't see them show ukukhombisa umfu ukuthi bazoso.
Nduna yami indlela edlala lelicembu namuhla siyibonile lesikhathi idlala la namuhla nduna yami. Sibonile i-midfielder le 3 lesijwayele last season lebenze siyathi lebenze sivamise kwenda umsebenzi uphelele. I mean Matuna, Mvelase, Nambujane bebakhona namuhla bayiqalile le first half nduna yami. Le season le combination le combination le siyibone kakhulu season le. Kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi coach Bekanovic abuyele kule formula le 7 de last season lebenze isolo sebenza throughout the previous season ukuthi ihlenge lelicembu ku relegation ikhona kubuyela ingene ku top 8.
For now njoba bemchange kakhulu uMvelase. I think it's special today uchangewa kwaMvelase it kills i-team kakhulu because uMaduna usele sebenza i-overtime ayi1 and then kumenze waze walimala ngokusebenza kakhulu. Akukho umuntu obenokumncedisa and uMvelase unama runs good and uyakhona ku hold the ball for ukuthi imove no Maduna is a hard working my uNomvelase because he give him space and everything ukuthi asebenze better.
Nduna yami la namhla ePalini sibonile bekuhlukile benza vimba Tape Ira bekangekho namuhla after uceza consider amagoli lamaningi sona Tape Ira ucabanga ukuthi kwendakalana etingqondweni te-management or goalkeeper coach ucabange ini laphana sibona le ngucuko lapha ePalini Tape Ira namhla ngayicala igame namuhla.
For uTape Ira he has been losing. He has been considering amagoli amaningi kakhulu. For a new guy, let's give him a chance and see what is he doing and then how is it going so far.
Nduna yami ngembi kokuthi ngikwekele i-prediction la iTS Galaxy ibona iphelela khona etafuleni nduna yami khuluma nami.
Siyishiye singa-judge man.
Nginike nduna yami.
Hayi manje nduna, let's just say boys come back and win again. So we are waiting for another win kule ama game azayo if you wanna go up or else you will go down.
Okay, thank you nduna yami.
Say bye my baby.
Bye bye.
Thank you Nana.